Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I got here my Sur Ron Light BX, and I'm going to be installing the JFG dirt bike pegs. So let's get to it.
In the kit, you'll get your 2-foot pegs and a few extra studs. These are a very nice, lightweight foot peg. Can't wait to try them out. There will be a link in the description below where you can buy them. The first thing I need to do is remove the stock foot pegs here. By taking out this E-clip right here, I'll use a small flathead screwdriver and pry it off. Try not to lose it. Luckily it landed right there in the washer. Now I can push the pin out the top.
It can help to wiggle the foot peg up and down while pulling out on the pin. And watch the spring go flying as well. Now I'm just going to take one of my 2 foot pegs, align it in the slot, and see which one fits. Not that one. There we go. Put the pin part way through so that it holds the foot peg in place. Now we're going to push the spring down and push the pin the rest of the way through. Next, reinstall the washer and the E-clip. There we go.
Here's how the spring will look when it's properly installed. You'll have the end with the 90-degree bend on the foot peg side. This side here will be pointing straight at the frame. If you get confused, look at the other side of your bike. There we go. Would you look at that for a comparison? Almost twice as big. No grip, slippery when wet, lots of traction. They're about the same weight too. So I think that's going to be an awesome upgrade. Can't wait to get out there and try them. Oh yeah, there we go. That's much better. Looks a lot better, feels a lot better. Can't wait to try them. Repeat the process on the other side and get to it.
If you haven't done so already, check out the merch store. Hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my foot peg install on my Sur Ron Light BX. Ride safe.